Hey everyone, I'm Buddy. I'm a photographer here in Los Angeles. And today we're going to be building some air cannons to make an oatmeal commercial. All of this is for an oatmeal commercial. So, here's what we're going to do. The idea is we're going to have prepackaged oatmeal dish thing fall through the air, but then hopefully we'll be able to get these PVC pipes, all the stuff in here, and make a couple air cannons to be able to shoot ingredients at the object as it's falling and film it with this. My Phantom camera that shoots super slow motion, and I really shouldn't have dropped it like that. It's old. Needs love. Alright. Anyways, let's see what we got. We bought some PVC pipe. And when you guys, if you guys ever do this, make sure you get PVC pipe that has a pressure rating on it. So this is rated for 280 PSI. The black PVC pipe, the internet says it's not rated for pressure. All right, we bought some couplers, more couplers, some caps, PVC pipes, caps for the PVC pipes. We have adapter, we have some heavy duty cement, we have all these nipples, inline sprinkler valve, and I have more of them over there. We have another cap. Then we got some hoses to make all the stuff work, and this might be something we'll play with later. So all of this really is for an oatmeal commercial. The product is called Mush. It is overnight oats, so it's kind of like a cold oatmeal. The idea is to have the product fall or launch in the air. At the same time as it's launching, we're going to use these air cannons and blast dry oatmeal at it, or vanilla beans, or sea salt, or almonds, and hopefully get a big epic explosion in midair. And to do that, we're going to be using these timer relays, and they're all going to be radio triggered, so we hopefully can get multiple air cannons all kind of going off at the same time and hitting the product all epic. I've never done this before. I've seen it on the internet. If it's on the internet, it must be true. So let's get building. Do I need safety glasses if I'm already wearing glasses? I definitely need safety glasses. These things are kind of disgusting. Good. All right, keep on building. Cap, coupler, reducer, nipple, sprinkler valve, so the way that these valves work, from my understanding, you have an input or an intake and an output, and the air or liquid goes up into here. There's a little solenoid valve up in here that when these two wires complete the circuit, it releases. Now, if you look online at other like potato cannons, they drill this out and basically make their own valve. I don't think we're going to need to launch that much air through it. I think we'll be fine without having to change this at all. I think we can just kind of make it work. See if you can hear it. I'm quiet. You just hook this up to negative and positive. Yeah, that's how that works. Okay, we got a drill. So the plan is to take this cap and then drill this air compressor thing. All right, we're just going for it. Ooh. I should have started with a smaller bit. I hope that worked. Ooh, that's gonna thread in right there. Look at that. They make this special yellow. They make this special yellow Teflon tape, which is meant for gas. I'm not sure if that's like liquid gas or whatever gas, but the internet told me to use it, so I'm gonna use it. I'm probably gonna glue this too. Looks pretty good. Not bad for first time doing this at all. Alright, so then I'm going to take some sandpaper that I got, and I'm just going to rough these edges up a tiny bit. So we're going to glue this all together. I just want to have some sort of like, little bit of grit to grab onto. Nothing too crazy. Just, sand the pipe. Okay, so I guess we're gonna glue it together now. I mean, about as far as I can go, I think. Let's clear this off first. Should be like a cool transition where like all of a sudden this is clean. All right, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Ta-da! So we have heavy duty clear PVC cement. Wow. Ah. It smells really bad. It does not smell pleasant. Ugh. Oh, I can taste it. Ugh, I can taste it in my mouth. Oh, shit. So this next part is exactly like the first part. We're going to cut the PVC pipe to size. Then we're going to sand all the edges. Then on the back part, near the valve, we're going to drill another hole for a pressure gauge to regulate the pressure. After that's in, we're going to glue everything together and then wait 24 hours for it to dry. Now we're going to add some Teflon tape to the 2 nipples that connect the sprinkler valve to the 2 sides of the cannon. All right, so I spent some time playing around with these electronics. I tried really hard to try to get these little timer relays, basically a delay, to work off the same battery, and I just couldn't get it to work. It comes with a wiring diagram. Not sure if you can see that up here, but I don't know, I couldn't get it to work. I got it to work like this. So now the way that this works is on this side, you have a low voltage trigger coming in, which is going to come from this Pocket Wizard photography trigger. And then it's going to come through here. You can program different modes in here. And right now I have it set for like a 3-second delay. And then you can set your open and close position for the circuits. And then that's going to trigger this circuit right here to open and close. And then this battery pack over here is just powering everything. Like I said, I couldn't get it all to work off the same battery. So the way that this works right now is, you can see now it should be counting down. You can hear it open. So altogether it's not that hard. You just gotta follow the instructions and then make it happen. I'm gonna keep on trying to get this all off one battery. And I ordered some extra DeWalt battery thing that you can hot swap the battery in and out. But right now, yeah, it works. And hopefully all these radios, as you can see the red light turn on, I'll be able to trigger multiple of these all together at the same time to all go at the same time. I could build more and more and more and more and more and more and more. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna go outside and start setting up the Phantom camera. All right, so we're outside now. We have the air cannon shooting into these white boards to collect all the oatmeal. We have this rig right here to launch the oatmeal in the air. I'll go over this in another video. We have the Phantom camera off to the side, but everything looks good. It's a little windy right now, so we'll see how it works. Oatmeal. This was the first take that I filmed with the Phantom. I pointed the Canon down and slowed it down a little bit to compensate for the timing. It's so loud. Every time. So loud. For the second take, I shot a wider angle so I could see where the project was actually going. For this next angle, I moved the camera closer, added the silver reflector, and I think once I bring it into the studio, this is how the final commercial will look. I'm so happy with how everything came out. We're starting to lose our light, but I'm gonna wrap everything up, come back tomorrow, shoot some more stuff. So excited. I broke the Phantom.